In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Meet account. Before we start, it's important to know that Google Meet isn't a separate account you can remove on its own. Meet is part of your overall Google account. So if your goal is to completely remove your Meet profile and data, the only way to do that is by deleting your entire Google account. This is permanent and removes access to everything tied to that account, including Gmail, Drive, Photos, Calendar, YouTube, purchases, and subscriptions, as well as any services where you sign in with Google. If this is a work or school account, check with your organization's administrator first because deletion may be restricted. To begin, open a web browser and go to My Account google.com. Sign in to the Google account you want to remove. Make sure you're in the correct account if you have more than one, since this process affects only the signed in account. Once you're in your account settings, navigate to the Data and Privacy tab. Depending on your device, you'll see it in the left-hand menu or across the top. This section controls how your information is handled across Google services. Scroll down until you reach the Your Data and Privacy Options area. Here, choose More Options and then select Delete Your Google Account. This path takes you directly to Google's account deletion page, where the consequences are explained in detail. You'll be prompted to verify it's you by entering your password. After you sign in, pause and carefully read everything on the screen. Google will outline what will be deleted and what you'll lose access to, such as emails in Gmail, files in Drive, photos and videos, calendar events, YouTube channels and playlists, app data and purchases, and stored content across other Google services. If you've used your Google account to sign in to other apps or websites, those logins may stop working as well. If you have anything you might need later, consider downloading a copy of your data first using Google's export tools, and make sure you've moved any important files or confirmed ownership changes for shared documents. Also review any subscriptions or paid services tied to this account so you're not surprised by interruptions. When you fully understand what's affected and you're absolutely sure, follow the on-screen prompts to proceed. Take your time. Double check that you're acting on the right account and only continue if deletion is truly what you want. That's the complete process for removing Google Meet by deleting your Google account. Thanks for watching and take care as you make this decision.